I'm chairman of JG Chemicals. I come from a business family which has been in the industry for more than 100 years, and this is our fourth generation. So the continuity has been there and built on dependability, respectability, accountability, commitment, value. This is there. Our traditional family business was glassware, and that's when I started my career in 1970. And over the course of the last 50 years, I've had the privilege of running various verticals, various businesses like glassware, mining, refractories, etc., engineering, sheet metal forming, electrical components, etc. I took over the zinc oxide business of our family, first given to me, somewhere around 90s, and since then, by the grace of God and hard work of my team, we have been able to make it grow from a 500 metric ton per annum capacity to 60,000 metric ton annum capacity today. Our focus has been to be the lowest cost producer without compromising on quality standards and commitments. These two pillars have helped us grow into making JG the number one player in the Indian industry. We have always valued in my long journey, and what I have been taught by my predecessors also, that the utmost value in a business is your commitment and your credibility. We have tried to uphold this in the journey of JG Chemicals also. I am happy to report to you that it is rich dividends. Most of our customers are repeat customers, for life customers. We've grown with them, we have learned from them, and we are here what we are because of them. I won't come more between you and the presentation.
Amongst all of you today, and as Vinny said, thank you all for sparing your time. Our company, JG Chemicals, in front of you, which we greatly value and measure annually, gives us a lot of joy when at the end of the year we see that our customers rate us extremely high and rate us as their preferred vendor. This is something, an asset which we don't find in our balance sheet. This is something, the asset which churns us immense return day in and day out. Include the top 9 out of the 10 global companies. As we envisage on this journey further ahead, our customers who have been supporting us all through carry with us this journey, and I'm sure that with all the hard work and the efforts put in by the team, we continue to serve their requirements. Our company are from the tire business or for the rubber industry. We have leaders who represent from the field of pharmaceuticals, cosmetics, and many more segments. Today, JGC is a well-known brand, is a well-known company worldwide. In the international markets, we sell our zinc oxide, we buy our raw materials. Our global footprints are very strong and deep-rooted. While doing all this and more, as management, our endeavor is always to make sure that our stakeholders get the required returns and we maintain our financial performance. Our numbers historically have, in terms of ROC or ROE, have all been north of 20%. More deeply into the presentation, I will request our CFO, Mr. Anuj Jhunjhunwala, to take us.
Not necessarily every tire customer will have the same specification. All tire customers, in fact, have different tire specifications for zinc oxide. All paint guys have different ones. All ceramic guys have different ones. Animal feed guys have different ones. So the ability to produce so many different grades, that's the complex chemistry which is there in our business. That's something which the company has been able to master over the last 3-4 decades, and we do that using the majority of zinc scrap. So the ability to recycle scrap, the ability to take the sustainability goals of the country, of the customers, and of our company. I'm very happy to state that we are the only zinc oxide company today to have the IITA certification. IITA is a very important certification to cater to the automobile industry. Our sales today is about 75 to 80% into the tire industry. We also amongst the very few companies globally to have the GMP certification for making pharmaceutical grade zinc oxide. Our material subsidiary BDG Oxides got this a few months ago, and this has opened up a very niche and very exclusive customer segment. Some of it is import substitution as well, and obviously these are markets where the competition is limited, so obviously the realizations, the margins, etc. are also better. Powder, if you look at it, it's like white powder. There are 3 different ways to make it: French process, direct process, and wet chemical process. French is the most popular technology globally. It has the best quality, and that's why about maybe 90% of people globally use this technology. The other 2 processes, they have different feedstocks and they have limited customer applications as well. Our main raw materials, I'm going to dwell on that in more detail later, is zinc metal and zinc bronze. Company, we've been able to grow, and that's because of a few, different pillars which have come up in our business. One is there are very, very high entry barriers to the business, whether it's in terms of customers or whether it's in terms of sourcing. So having a good customer mix, having a customer base which is consistently taking material from you, having a good supplier base, both